Happy Monday, everyone. The conflict in Iran has now entered its second full day, and the fallout is being felt across every market on the planet. The US and Israel have struck over 2,000 targets in Iran as Operation Epic Fury continues, and the Trump administration made it clear they are prioritizing bombing over talks. Iran is retaliating hard, launching missiles and drones at Israel and U.S. bases across the Gulf, with Iran claiming 560 U.S. military personnel have been killed or injured in attacks on American bases across the region. Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, Oman and Bahrain have all stated they have the right to respond to Iran, and Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince has authorized the military to strike back if Iran hits the kingdom again. The UAE shut its embassy in Iran and closed its stock market on Monday and Tuesday to prevent a meltdown after being hit by hundreds of missiles and drones over the weekend. Maersk, the world's second-largest shipping company, suspended all transit through the Strait of Hormuz, and traders on Kalshi give a 38% chance Iran fully closes the strait before 2027. Reuters is calling this the biggest oil market crisis in decades, and Brent crude surged to $82 a barrel, up over 12% as global energy supply faces unprecedented disruption. Gold reclaimed $5,350 an ounce as the flight to hard assets accelerates. In a striking twist, the Wall Street Journal reported that the U.S. military used Anthropic's Claude AI during its operations in the Iran strikes, just days after Trump ordered all federal agencies to stop using Anthropic. So apparently war makes exceptions. Abu Dhabi's private sector, meanwhile, continues operating as planned, maintaining supply chains and delivering services without interruption, which is a statement of resilience given the circumstances. Michael Saylor is hinting at buying more Bitcoin because even in the middle of a regional war, the man stays on brand, and Steak and Shake officially started paying employees an hourly Bitcoin bonus of 21 cents, which is a small but symbolic step for mainstream Bitcoin adoption. That's your Monday recap. The world is watching this conflict unfold in real time and markets are reacting accordingly. Make sure to follow and I'll catch you right back here tomorrow.